Oh, what do we have here? This is the craziest body cam you'll ever see because this is moments before a woman sets a cop car on fire.
The camp out back, it's still full-blown setup.
I'll go check, make sure that there's no one there.
So also, I have that problem. Now she has a unit here, blares her music, dances in the parking lot, swings from the trees.
You guys have the right to choose to do either terminating her contract or whatnot. I know the car itself, I don't think that license plate's good. However, it's not operating on a roadway. And she's also known to be a little...
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
That's why we don't want to take a chance with our customers.
Yeah, people have. Yesterday, 2 customers came in and complained, "What's that lady doing there?"
Yeah, well, she'll walk up and down Davis and like rub dirt on herself and stuff, and it's a daily occurrence for us. So.
What the hell?
So. Well, she's coming in, so I guess we'll see.
Here she comes.
Hello,
Jana, how are you?
Oh, hi, Mr. Police, and hi, lady, and hi, sir.
So.
I told you can't plug that in here.
Oh, no, I know. You told me that you're not responsible for it.
I don't want it plugged into my electricity.
This building, the storage building that I have a place here?
You're not paying for electricity.
I'm paying for the storage, ma'am.
You know, if you don't want to abide by the rules, they also have the right to terminate your contract, right?
If this lady told me I'm not allowed to
That's what she's...
my stuff here,
That's what I'm saying.
I have to say yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
But I thought because I pay for the storage unit,
No.
if I'm here, I can plug it, charge it really fast. I wasn't going to leave my speaker. I was going to leave this because you said you are not responsible.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I wouldn't even want to buy a storage unit if I see somebody doing this shit every time I come to it. Be like, you can count me out, but
For it.
But it doesn't matter. Don't plug it in.
Can I plug it there?
No.
None of the outlets?
Nope.
Why not? I
Because,
asked you before.
and I told you no.
You know, you told me because you don't want to be responsible for it.
They do bear a cost of electricity, right? And we charge people for the theft of
But do
electricity.
you pay for the electricity?
And she's no longer giving you permission to use that outlet, okay?
I mean, I know she said that.
You're making something-
I heard you, Mr.
You're
Police.
making something out of nothing.
I know this lady works here, and she said not to use it.
They're responsible
What?
for the budgeting.
I'm okay. No, she's not.
Yes,
She
I
doesn't
am.
pay for it. Well, you don't pay for that electricity.
They have the right
she about to say your company do. You don't even own the building.
terminate the contract. You're
No, I
responsible.
know. She said if I wanted a refund for my
But
stuff.
you're making something out of nothing.
And I said, no, I don't want the refund. I already give this lady the money. I put my card in this thing right there because I already paid for it. Why would I want the refund?
We are turning into something from nothing.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Please don't charge yourself here. That's all she got. That's all she's
No, I
telling
know
you.
she said
Okay,
it, but
so
I
then-
said I
then we're
have
done, right?
storage here. I just need to charge it really fast.
But she doesn't want you to charge it. So that's it. You have
I
to find
don't
somewhere else.
understand. It doesn't make no sense.
So-
Why doesn't you want me to charge it here? Because I'm right here. My car's right there. I'm in my car. I don't understand, lady.
I said no.
The other thing too is that they don't want you parking here overnight, right?
I don't park here overnight. I
Your
park here
license
sometimes.
plate isn't legal.
Yes, it is.
It's
It is
suspended.
Nevada.
It is suspended.
Nevada.
Do you live here, work here?
Whoa, 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 whoa. My
She just took a strand of something or a piece of something because she just too loose as a goose right now.
license is my license plate. My license is legal and my
Naples,
tag.
3
The
Robert
tag on my
Hill.
plate.
Can you run me a Nevada 28 as well? This is coming from my dispatch.
And what the does it say?
Suspended.
It ain't. Hold on. I gotta.
Here, no, you can listen. I believe that you own it. It's just illegal to operate upon the roadway.
I'm showing you this Nevada. This Nevada.
Yeah, but
What happened to the back window? And why is just a pair of fresh forces just sitting in the back like that?
State of Nevada Department of Motor and Vehicle,
That
the
means it's
DMV.
yours.
And it
but it
says,
doesn't mean that it's legal to operate on the roadway.
with China Ajana. What? It
She
is
gotta be an
legal to
island
operate.
gal.
It's a motherfucking car. Yes, the it is. What you gonna tell me?
Then you can go to the jail when we catch you.
I don't want to go to jail.
Well, then
No.
don't operate it on the
What the
road.
do you mean though? I have 30 days to go to that DMV in Florida and motherfucking change it back to motherfucking Florida.
No, that's not how that.
Yes, it is how it works. How you gonna tell me?
This got to be Samuel L. Jackson's granddaughter or something.
Well, then, I've explained it to you, and if you want to jump up and down and say that, then that's it.
No,
We'll
I'm
leave
just
it at
gonna tell
that.
you the truth right here and show you the mother.
So, no, I've explained it to you. You have every right to choose to act how you want to.
My way, how they do it in Nevada. And
This is
here,
Florida.
Too. If I had Florida,
All right, you can continue to act this way, ma'am. But I'm done. Wait, it's not.
Tell me, sir.
It's the law, ma'am.
Right. You have
So
30 days to
no.
switch it.
So you can have that car. You can
It's
legally
my car.
own it.
Yes, it's my motherfucking car.
I've never contested.
She done turned 30 days into 2 years.
Right. So I could drive it where the fuck
No,
I
you
want,
can't.
where the fuck I please.
You can't
Yes,
operate
wherever
the-
the fuck I
okay,
want in the
please
United
just
States
take
of
one
America.
step back.
You have 30 days.
No, you don't.
Oh, you won't even take a step back.
Thank you, I appreciate that. You can own a car, but if you don't register it, no, it is
You have 30
unregistered.
days to register it. You
No,
register
no,
it.
you're not understanding me. And I'm telling you, if you operate that car, it's getting towed.
It's not gonna get.
If you take that car on Davis, it is getting
I
towed.
drive my car everywhere.
Okay, then you know
It's not gonna
you've
get
been
towed.
warned. It's going to be documented that you've been warned. Okay, it's going to get towed, which on
Not, sir.
on it, it's going to get towed. If you drive it on the road, it's getting towed. It's not valid.
Oh, yes, it's valid.
The dispatch literally told you it's not. Okay.
Oh.
You guys can choose.
Take your speaker
No,
and
I'm
leave.
going somewhere else.
Do you want to trespass?
You need to
Do want
leave.
cancel contract trespass?
Trespass me, cancel my contract?
Okay.
I am.
All
I
right.
said no.
Which honor your trespass?
And I said no, and I'm saying I'm not trespassing.
You are. Rules 3, Bravo 31.
Wouldn't life be that amazing if you could just say, no, I'm not. I'm not doing that.
You can just do a 43. Hey, it's probably going to be a 10-15. She's inside. I'm just letting her go for now. I'm going to write out the trespass. If she refuses to leave after she's been handed the copy of the trespass.
Walking out now.
Yeah.
Does the car move?
Her car's not valid. And she's like, I have 30 days. I was like, no, it's not valid.
What is she doing now?
We'll be right over there.
Is that a cigarette?
He's busy, and we're gonna be with you in 1 minute. I don't know. I just got here. He's gonna explain everything to you.
For what?
This is.
Because I have a storage here. I pay my storage here.
Okay.
And this police is trying to tell me that I can't put my car right here. I can't even read them.
I need you to go back over to your
I'm
car.
like, what the is that?
I need you to go back over to your car.
I need to know what the gonna happen.
I'm being
What's
polite
happening?
right now.
I'm not being trespassed nowhere.
Go back over to your
I told the lady that works here.
She's an
I want her
island
back. I
girl.
want refund.
Anna, I will talk to you about everything.
She's an island girl.
Anna.
I will explain everything to you. I understand that you have property inside there as well.
You don't need to explain.
Okay, well, I'm going to have to.
You don't need
So
to
can you
explain nothing to me.
please listen to my part?
You don't need to put that paper because I'm not getting arrested for nothing. I ain't going.
Okay.
I think we're there now.
I'm not getting trespassed for nothing.
He say, I think we're there now.
What you mean?
All right, if you can't.
Oh, look at my mugshot. No. Police.
All right, so if you can't listen.
No, wait. No.
Let me tell you something.
No, police. Wait.
You can't.
What you doing?
All right, this is so
Okay, I'll
you're
go
racing,
back to my
texting,
car.
calling.
I'll go back by
All right, guys, this is where it just takes a turn for the worse, especially when she gets in the back of the car.
It's too late. We're past that.
No, we're not.
We're past
Racing, texting, calling.
Police,
This is tough for
wait!
If you continue to do so.
I said wait, what you doing? What the f***? You gonna detain me?
You going to jail?
Go. Why the f*** you put me in handcuffs?
You
Car.
can't listen to a thing that I'm
Let
calling.
me go. I'm not f***ing playing. You're not the f***ing
You're under arrest now.
I'm not arrested for nothing. What the f*** I do? I didn't do nothing illegal. Let me go. You police, let me go. Police, let me f***ing go.
Why didn't they search her?
Police, let me go. I'm not. You want me to go in? You want me to go in?
Thank you.
You want me to go in? You want me to go in your f***ing car? I don't want to go in your f***ing car.
I know you don't.
No.
Ma'am,
No.
that's-
I'm going to hit you. I'm going to kick the f*** out of you.
Whoa.
Let me out. There's
Whoa.
a camera right here. Let me out.
I'll need to go get the info from
I can get all that from you. That way you're not, so she doesn't start damaging your car.
She does have property in the unit, so we got to figure out something.
Okay, I'll ask her what they're gonna do.
I said let me go. Or I'm going to start a fire. I have a lighter. I'm going to start a fire. I'm going to start
Why would you tell him that?
a fire. I'm going to burn something.
Okay, how does that gonna work as far as her getting her material or her stuff out?
She has two options. She can sign the unit over to us and we'll dispose of it, or she has 72 hours to empty it.
She ain't gonna get out of jail in 272 hours, though.
I'm going to start a fire so good. I'm not playing.
I'm not either. Going to jail.
Okay, I ain't playing. It needs to motherfucking explode. Where's the gasoline? Where's the bomb?
She's going to jail, so when she gets out, she's going to need to contact you guys to find out what's going on. We will tell her what she needs to do, but she'll come back here, so call us when she comes back.
Okay, I'm gonna burn them on my seatbelt.
Do you have a lighter?
You need to start right here.
She really lighting it on fire? Why would you do that and you can't even get out the car?
I'm starting. What?
Guess what? You get another charge.
I don't give a What?
You need this. Guess what?
What?
You're going to sit in jail for a while.
No,
Caught my car on fire. She's not being very cooperative. So
What is her problem? The stories people just said she had 72 hours. She not gonna get out to 7,200 hours now.
I'm not sure if I'll have to follow my partner to the jail. This is hers?
Yes.
Okay.
She out of line.
She had a lighter stash and caught my seatbelt on fire, so.
I'll follow you to the jail. I'll follow you. I'm going to follow you.
Okay.
Does that sound good? Yeah. Take a breath.
He like, what the fuck? Get out of my car.
I'm gonna punch you in your shit.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna fight you.
I don't want you to do
I
that.
don't give a badass.
What the hell? She slipped the cuffs? Yo, this lady is unhinged.
Let me piss and take a shit on your damn car. All over it. I don't give a f. Take a piss. All over your mother car. You're gonna have to clean this shit up. Oh, I'm pissing.
What the hell?
Everything that you break will add up on it.
Oh, you thought it was gonna be that easy, huh? No. Why you ain't like try to set the window on fire at least to break it so you could get out?
Now I'm gonna break the other one. And I would break the camera, but I'll wait. I'll do that last.
I would have laughed if she would have lit a cigarette in that car. I would have died.
You're lucky you got my lighter, because I would have motherfucking burst that motherfucking bomb.
Yeah, go ahead and drop what you got in your hand.
What I got in my hand?
Whatever you got in your hand.
I got shit in my hand.
Okay.
What I got in my hand? What I got in my hand? Nah. Nah, you gonna tase me?
What is that?
I'm gonna tase you back. I'm gonna tase you back.
Ready? Got the cuff?
Ready? I got a couple.
Ready?
Oh, now you want to cough and gag. Oh. She gotta be dumber than a box of rocks.
According to court records, this suspect, Wichana, was charged with resisting, obstructing, felony criminal damage to property of $1,000 or more. For
Damn.
all the damage she caused inside the squad car, felony battery on a law enforcement officer, and trespassing. She was adjudicated guilty on all charges. She was sentenced to 36 months of probation and was released back into the public.
Oh, hell no. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget that hit to like the fuck. I can't even get it out. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it.